What's up guys, Lazy Money UK here. Let's have a look at the microtask work available on Clickworker. They sent me an invitation for another voice recording job. This one doesn't pay much, but it beats doing a survey in the same amount of time.
I'm going to include extra large pasties.
I am going to Chuck E. Cheese's.
On Postmates, purchase a Pepsi.
Potatoes and some dried pasta.
I figured I might as well do the second recording job while I was there, which got me up to €3.05. After that, I went to check out a photo categorization task. I'm usually cautious about doing jobs which are based on subjective interpretation, because you get banned pretty quickly for having a different opinion to the job creator. This job, however, seemed to be based on consistent logic. After being swiftly banned from the job, I ended on €5.66. A few of my answers had been rejected not long after I submitted them. It makes you wonder why they pay people to make judgments when they're just going to do it themselves anyway.
Let me review these documents. Unacceptable. Incompetent.
Let's see what their competitor Nevo has to say about this.
I don't understand why people ask questions they already know the answer to.
That's an excellent point, Nevo. Anyway, the payment will take up to 7 days to be approved, and then it gets sent between the following Wednesday and Friday. And yes, they do pay out. I'll leave my referral link in the description if anyone wants to support the channel. Thanks for checking out this review. Hit the subscribe button so I can send you more lazy money making tips.